Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Our mission is to inspire and share creative ideas that you can incorporate into your own projects, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out. We believe that crafting and creativity can bring joy and fulfillment to your life, and we're excited to embark on this journey with you. So, grab your materials and let's dive into the world of creativity together. As we explore new projects and ideas, we encourage you to become an active part of our community. If you enjoy the content we create, please consider subscribing to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos packed with tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Additionally, if you find value in our content, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Your support not only helps us grow, but also motivates us to keep creating and sharing more exciting projects with you. We have so much planned for you, and we can't wait to share it all. In the following sections, we'll discuss essential strategies on how to succeed in the wood stick product business, covering everything from identifying your niche and creating unique products to effective marketing techniques and engaging with your community. Be sure to stay with us until the end of the video, as we have some special tips and bonus content that you won't want to miss. Your engagement in the comments section is also invaluable to us. Let us know what you think, share your own ideas, and suggest projects you'd like to see in the future. Together, we can build a vibrant community where creativity thrives. Thank you for being here, and let's get started. Identify your niche. Understanding your niche is crucial. Delve into specific areas within the wood stick craft market, such as rustic home decor, garden accessories, or DIY kits. Research trends and customer preferences to tailor your offerings. For instance, if you find that eco-friendly products are in demand, focus on using reclaimed wood and highlight the sustainability of your materials. Create unique products. Differentiate your products by infusing creativity and quality into each piece. For example, you could craft handmade wooden wall art featuring geometric designs or nature themes. Emphasize craftsmanship by ensuring each item has a distinct character. This uniqueness appeals to customers looking for special home decor. Build an online presence. A strong online presence is essential for reaching customers. Create a professional website that showcases your wood stick projects with high-resolution images and detailed descriptions. Include sections for customer testimonials, a blog featuring crafting tips, and a gallery of your work. Use platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to visually engage your audience, sharing photos and videos of your crafting process. Utilize SEO strategies. Optimize your website for search engines to improve visibility. Research relevant keywords related to wood crafts and home decoration, such as rustic wooden decor or handmade wooden crafts. Use these keywords in your product descriptions, blog posts, and website metadata. Regularly updating your content with fresh articles or projects can also help improve your search rankings. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your products. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to share engaging content, including behind-the-scenes looks at your crafting process, tips for home decoration, and user-generated content from satisfied customers. Engage your audience with polls, questions, and challenges that encourage interaction and build community. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers can greatly expand your reach. Identify home decor influencers whose aesthetic aligns with your brand. Send them samples of your products for review or offer to collaborate on a project. Their endorsement can attract new customers who trust their opinions, driving traffic to your website. Attend local craft fairs. Participating in local craft fairs or markets is an excellent way to showcase your products. Set up an inviting booth with a visually appealing display of your wood stick projects. Engage with attendees, share your story, and offer exclusive fair discounts. This personal interaction can lead to immediate sales and foster long-term customer relationships. Develop a loyalty program. A loyalty program can incentivize repeat customers. Offer points for purchases that can be redeemed for discounts or exclusive products. Promote this program on your website and through email newsletters, encouraging customers to return and engage with your brand regularly. Engage with your community. Becoming an active member of your local community can enhance brand visibility and goodwill. Sponsor local events, donate products for charity auctions, or participate in community service projects. Engaging with your community builds trust and can turn local residents into loyal customers. Utilize seasonal promotions. Capitalize on seasonal trends by developing themed products. For example, create wooden decorations for holidays like Christmas or Halloween. Promote these items through your website and social media, emphasizing their uniqueness and suitability for seasonal decorating. Use urgency in your marketing, such as limited-time offers during peak seasons. Network with other artisans. Networking with local artisans can lead to mutually beneficial collaborations. Consider joining local craft groups or artisan marketplaces. You can cross-promote each other's products, host joint workshops, or create bundled offerings that combine your crafts with complementary items, enhancing visibility for both parties. Showcase customer reviews. Customer reviews and testimonials can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback on your website and social media. Feature these reviews prominently, perhaps alongside images of the products in use, to build trust and credibility with potential buyers. Offer workshops. Hosting workshops is an excellent way to engage your community while generating income. Teach participants how to create their own wood stick projects in a fun and interactive environment. Promote these workshops through local community boards, social media, and your website. Participants are likely to purchase your products or kits for their own crafting endeavors. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel so you can stay updated on all our upcoming projects and tutorials. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family. Your engagement helps us reach more creative minds like you.